Hi folks, and welcome to Dutchy Cooking. Today we'll be cooking lime and chili chicken wings in the wood-fired oven. So the first thing to do is we're going to make the lime and chili glaze. So we've got 2 tablespoons of fresh lime juice, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, the zest of 1 lime, and 3 tablespoons of chili and garlic sauce, 2 tablespoons of honey. And what we're going to do, we're going to mix this together and we'll pop it inside our wood-fired oven when we get the chicken wings going. So now for the chicken wings, I've got 4 teaspoons of baking powder, 1.5 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper. And what we'll do, we're going to mix these all in. We're just going to knock the lumps of the baking powder out. So here I've got 1 kilo, it's just over 2 pounds of chicken wings. I'm leaving them intact. I'm just going to get them in the bowl. We're going to toss them through this mixture. I'm going to try and get an even coating. Get the hands in. So that's our chicken wings ready. So I've arranged them in a cast iron pan and we're going to put them in the wood-fired oven. So I've got the fire down one side and we're going to put the pan down the other. This oven's running at 200 degrees C, that's 400 F. So this is about 6 minutes in the cook. So we're just going to put this glaze in now to start warming through. And we're going to turn these chicken wings. Once we've got them turned, I'm going to rotate this pan through 180 degrees to try and encourage an even cook. I'm going to put the door on and we're going to let these go for another 5-6 minutes. That's after 5 or 6 minutes. Unfortunately, rookie error, the camera was too near the oven with the door off and it overheated and cut off. So while the camera was off, I glazed in with the lime and chili glaze. So we apply the glaze and we'll let them go for another 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, you can see taking on a nice colour. So all we're going to do is serve these with some lime and chili mayo. And just look at the colour on them. If you like what we're doing here at Dutch Cooking, please remember to subscribe and hit that bell.